Unraveling the mystery of audio bug. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we've got an interesting topic to discuss: the phrase, audio bug. You might have heard it in different contexts. But what does it actually mean? Stay tuned as we delve into the meaning and usage of this phrase that's especially relevant in our digital age. When we break down the phrase, audio bug, we're looking at two words. Audio refers to anything related to sound or the sense of hearing. Bug can have several meanings, but in this case, it's not about the small insect. Instead, bug is used to denote a problem or flaw, often in the context of technology or software. So, when combined, audio bug typically refers to a problem with the sound in electronic devices or systems. It can be an unwanted noise, a glitch, or an error that affects audio performance. Let's look at some common scenarios where you might encounter an audio bug. 1. In a video game, gamers might experience an audio bug where the sound effects or music don't play correctly. 2. During a phone call, you could have an audio bug that causes your voice to echo or sound distant. 3. On a video call, sometimes, an audio bug might prevent you from hearing the other person, or them hearing you. 4. With smart home devices, these gadgets might have audio bugs that interfere with playing music or responding to voice commands. If you encounter an audio bug, there are a few steps you can take to troubleshoot. 1. Restart the device. This simple step can often resolve temporary glitches. 2. Check the audio settings. Make sure the volume is up and the settings are correct. 3. Update software. Sometimes, audio bugs are fixed with the latest software updates. 4. Contact support. If all else fails, reaching out to technical support can help diagnose and fix the problem. We hope this video has shed some light on the mysterious audio bug and what it entails. Next time you encounter one, you'll know exactly what's going on and how to begin tackling it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next one.